Hello everybody, this is Nora with NAQ57, and on this video I have a review for you guys on Modelones brand new non-toxic water-based polishes. This set that I have here, it's available on Amazon. I will have the link down in the description bar below, but this particular set, because there are other colors, this particular one is this the Christmas colors. You see right there, but so it's a red and then a beautiful teal blue and this gorgeous glitter that I wouldn't call it so much a gold, but it looks kind of bronzy. Look at the holographic glitter in that. So we're gonna give this a, we'll go ahead and do swatches on this. I'm gonna put these on my nails now, and I will go ahead and wait. I'll come back after a couple of, at least 1 hour of wear to give it time to fully dry and set, to then attempt to do the peel off, because these are also, it says peel off. You should be able to peel them off and not have to use acetone for removal. So these are safe for young teens or young kids and totally non-toxic. Here's the back of the box right there. It tells you more details about the product, not tested on animals, and it was sealed right here, but I already broke the seal so I can open it. Okay, so these are full size. These are 15 ml bottles. Let me go ahead, I will go ahead and start with the swatches on my nails, and I'll meet you right back. Guys, so here are the nails completely dry. I've already had them on for a couple of hours, and I ended up doing 3 coats for all the colors. Okay, the red and the blue had very good coverage with 2 coats. The glitter one really, it really took 3 coats, and I felt that it also took the longer to dry than these two. But look at that shimmer, look at that glitter. I mean, it's beautiful, the holographic. So let's go ahead and start peeling here. So there, you guys saw how that went. I felt like if I had left these on at least overnight, the peel off would have been easier. I don't know why it was so difficult to get them off of my tips, and I had to probe with my orange wood stick. And whatever was left, the red and the blue from my tips, my free edge, I went ahead and removed them with acetone rather than keep pushing. But they did feel kind of gooey when I was pushing them, and that's why I'm thinking maybe if I had left them at least overnight. I had them on, I don't know if I had them on for 2 full hours, but at least an hour. I was working on another video while letting them dry. But you can see how nice and clean my nails stayed. So yeah, no staining, which is good. That is that is ideal of water-based polishes. They do not stain your nails even if you don't use a base. And I'm sorry I cannot do the days worth of wear on these, but they do work as promised, and they're very good polishes for those, you know, that are conscious about chemicals on regular polishes. Or these will be great for kids, you know, again, and so there's nothing harmful about these. They're great for youngsters, and this is only 3 colors. That there's another set available on Amazon. There's more too, where it's neutral colors. So that is it for this review, guys. If you have any questions, please leave them below and I'll be happy to answer. I would like to thank Modelones for sending me these beautiful polishes to play with and review. If you guys enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more, and thank you for watching.